and doing there? Is that also about the meridians opening up and getting energy into our bodies?
Well, it's about bringing energy in and letting go of any negativity, stress, anxieties. You know, it's like letting it go out to different directions. So obviously in Chinese medicine, they talk a lot about east, west, south, north, you know, and so if we do our practice facing these directions, then it's like we're bringing good energy in from, you know, prana, energy, chi from these directions, and then letting go of our stresses and strains and, yeah, letting go of all those 1,000 thoughts per wink of an eye.
Oh, perfect. Well, I think we should jump straight into it. So I'm going to let you set up. I understand what we'll be doing is the kind of warm up. So we're all warmed up. We'll do the longevity and maybe just sit for 5 minutes just in silence at the end. And then
it's important after the practice to just sit for a few moments and let the chi settle. So rather than, you know, getting up and rushing off and, oh, well, now I can go and do this, or, you know, just sit and be still.
Perfect. Well, let's have practice 30 minutes of stillness. I'm going to hand over to you. Please take it away and show us what we should be doing.
Okay, so let's come to stand. So the main point of anything is to be in our center. So we'll start by just feeling into the feet. You can close your eyes if you want to and just feel where the weight of your body is. Maybe it's on the outside of the feet, or maybe it's on the back of the feet, or on the front of the feet. And find a place where you feel centered. Feet are parallel. And then notice where your breath is in the body. Maybe you can feel the breath in the upper body, or maybe you can feel the breath in the lower body. And then I'll invite you just to soften through your knees. And you may notice now that the breath feels more into the lower body.
I might just need you to speak up a little bit, Jay.
Okay. So, and this obviously assists us in long, deep breathing. Now we'll tap the tailbone under and we'll lift up through the sternum, shoulders move back, chin tucks in, head pulls away from the body, like a silver cord running up through the spine, lengthening. Now close the eyes and go within. And notice if there's a thought, you know, and just allow those thoughts to be like clouds in the sky, just observing without reacting, just letting them go. Coming into the present, into the gift of now. And when you feel settled, we'll open our eyes and we'll just open the major joints of the body by lifting the shoulders and rotate them round to the back. Smooth and soft. Just a few times. And then we'll reverse direction. So normally we do anywhere between 3 and 5 times each. So we're just lifting the shoulders and opening the shoulders. And then we'll raise the arms up in front and we'll rotate the wrists. So we're opening the major joints so that the chi is able to flow more easily through the body. Reverse direction.